Is the MSI MAG CORELIQUID M the cooling upgrade your PC craves? You plug in your build hopeful, but the moment you push it hard, temperatures spike, fans whine, and the system feels fragile. It's frustrating when your cooler can't keep up. If your PC ever turns into a furnace under load, drop an idea below. Because once you experience true thermal control, every other cooler feels like a compromise. Workloads, long gaming sessions, rendering. Your CPU demands stability you haven't delivered yet. Stress mounts as you watch temps creep and throttling loom. Imagine a cooler that solves that without turning into a jet engine. One that gives you headroom, silence, and confidence, all in one beautifully lit package. Meet the MSI MAG CORELIQUID M, M240 and M360. An AIO liquid cooler engineered for both spectacle and performance. With choices of 240mm or 360mm radiator, you pick the balance of size and cooling headroom. Its pump uses a self-lubricating ceramic bearing design, mounted directly on the radiator to reduce internal case noise. The cold plate is crafted from pure copper for efficient heat transfer, while the fans, 2 M240 or 3 M360, MSI P12 ARGB PWM fans, deliver strong static pressure with the RGB flair. Every part is synchronized under Mystic Light RGB for lighting harmony with your motherboard. It supports modern sockets, Intel LGA 1700, 1200, 115X, and AMD AM4, AM5. The low noise operation in lighter tasks, combined with headroom under load, means your system runs cooler and quieter. One pro builder switched from a high-end air cooler to the M360 and saw temps drop 10 to 15 degrees Celsius under full load. Bonus trick: dialing in a custom fan curve in MSI Center keeps the system whisper quiet until your load really hits hard. This cooler isn't just about specs, it's about experience. Experts call the CORELIQUID M360 a serious contender in AIO space, praising how it tames overclocked CPUs during stress tests while keeping acoustic noise low. One hardware reviewer noted that the radiator-mounted pump design minimizes pump hum inside the case, a frequent complaint with other liquid systems. Influencers echo that sentiment. "My CPU never crosses 70 degrees Celsius in long sessions now," said a content creator running Ryzen builds. Analysts observe that modular RGB components and silent operation push the cooler into both enthusiast and showcase build territory. Users confirm this. A gamer told me, "I stopped hearing the cooler even during heavy matches." A long-term builder added, "Months later, no leaks, no pump whine, and the RGB still syncs perfectly." The MSI software integration allows you to adjust fan curves, pump speeds, and lighting seamlessly. So which feature would rescue your build? Lower temps, silence, or lighting control? Comment below and see how many agree. See why thousands can't stop talking about this cooler that blends performance with elegance. Don't let another thermal limit hold back your build. The MSI MAG CORELIQUID M 240 and 360 is now in high demand. Join those who've already unlocked silent power and stunning aesthetics. Click now to grab yours and discover a hidden tuning tip that improves cooling by a few extra degrees. Don't just watch. Jump in and transform your system's heart today.